How dare you? You must be very stupid to serve me a hot juice. Why are you running?
You want to beat me? You think I don't know?
That boy is wild. We can't continue to live with him in this palace. Have you ever seen him talk? 1,000 words per minute?
Look at you, old hand!
Who did this to you?
It is because of my position. They are mounting pressure on me. If it comes to the worst, I relinquish my throne to another person. But I will never submit to the treachery.
Oh my goodness!
Calm down! Calm down!
Stop it! Are you mad?
We never liked him.
I'm sorry.
How dare you! You idiot!
It's not all that well in the palace. That place is a mini hell. The problem is Igwe's daughters, the princesses. They are mad dogs.
How dare you!
How dare you! How dare you!
Igwe! I don't do anything. The one use me wrong rituals.
I just want to keep you company, or maybe probably, watch you sleep.
As my guardian angel or what?
A male cook is a no-no for me. You cannot bring in a complete stranger and impose him on us.
I love you and I don't want to lose you to any of my sisters.
God's time is the best.
Come on, give me food there. I'm hungry.
There is no food. Is it your birthday?
Hello.
This is the 11th one.
Ngazika will never be alive and leave that boy Benjamin for you.
You addressing him as bear doesn't sound that you are warning him.